but I don't want to behave, I don't want to dress, I don't want to look like Obama. But whatever has God given, I can't say no to that. Creative people always think differently. If everybody thinks in one direction, they think, why not it can be like this? It doesn't mean that you should always think different. But when you always think different, it should have some relevance. It should not be a foolish thinking. I have seen people, whenever we say that you have to be very creative, you have to look everything different, then people will say, look at this, how does it look? If I tell you, you laugh. See, I don't know what it is. But they will say that if I tell you, that means they are comparing to something else. That means the thinking is very bad. They have to think different, I agree. But at the same time, it has to be it should have some sort of a meaning. People should get excited and it should have value. People should say, wow, that's a different view. That's a different view. And they will be curious to ask questions to yourself. They will be asking themselves a lot of questions. If this happens, what can happen? If this happens, how it will look? They will be asking a lot of questions. Before they present, okay, when I present like this, if somebody asks like this, they will be thinking a lot of things inside. What I should answer. If they don't ask how, if I do this exercise, if nobody claps, what I should do. If nobody gives answer, how I should overcome. All this they will be thinking. Only such people will be creative. If not, they will come, stand with some prepared exercise, they will do, nobody will laugh, and finally they laugh and go. And the rest of the people will become creative, and this fellow will be routine. It will be the same thing. They all look like creative people. Okay. They always finish it. They will not wait. They will say, okay, I have done half today, let me do the remaining tomorrow. Creative people will never do that. They will finish it in one go. Okay, this is the assignment, this is over, that's all. If they postpone tomorrow, their thinking will be different. Their vision will be different. So that's over, that's it. Once you complete one set of information, this is what I am going to train, this, over, that's it. This is my first topic. These are all the content of the first topic. Over. If you think tomorrow, okay, think for the next program, don't mind. But here it is closed. Why? Because your mind is so creative, it will keep adding. So you will end up in doing only one thing throughout. So that is the reason the creative people always finish it off. Finish it off. There can be improvement next time. They always love to listen to the silly jokes. And they watch cartoon movies. You know, cartoon will be the funniest. Most amazing ideas you get in cartoon movies. And there will be some hidden meaning also in whatever they will be doing. You carefully observe all the creative people. Whenever they do, they will have some sort of a meaning behind it. If you look at my slides, most of the slides, I have some uniformity. You see that? Can you see the bottom step? There is I have created this logo. Okay, let this be the logo. That means it is exercise to update ourselves. You know, every slide has this bottom strip. And you can see the uniformity in the pictures also. Whenever you see the picture, there will be a uniformity in each picture. First picture, second picture will have a relevance to the first picture. That is how creatively you should think. Only then people will respect. If not, what happens? If I would have copied some text also from somewhere, your graphics will make a difference. Your graphics will give a different look to the same sentence or same wordings, whatever you copied from some book.
Even meaning also.
Definitely. Because your perception, looking will change. Your look will change. The way you look at the things will change. How creativity happens? Look, it is first they develop the ideas, then they will screen, that means the compatibility with the situation, whether it suits the situation or not. Then they will check the feasibility, whether it suits to this environment or not.